Emily! Emily! What are you doing, girl?
Sleeping. Falling up again.
No. I see that. Good shot, man. Good shot. That's right. You bounce it, bounce it. Go get that ball. You stuck? Spider-Man web got him out.
He watched too much Spider-Man.
All right. Wow.
Almost, man.
Whoa!
Uh-oh, your ball's stuck. What you gonna do?
He didn't use a spider web.
Baba, get it out.
Don't hit Emily.
Huh?
Don't hit Emily.
Don't harm Emily. Watch. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, Emily! Sorry. Thought I would bounce over her.
Tootie. You cream her in the head.
No. At him.
Wow, what a jump. Man.
Ready?
Tootie, how old are you?
2.
Huh?
2.
2?
Yeah. Go.
What's your name?
Monkey.
Mikey who? Huh? Say Mikey Calhoun? Huh? Hey,
Emily.
look at me. Hey, what's your name?
Monkey.
Mikey Calhoun. Can you say that? Tell me. Tell KK your name.
What's your name?
Monkey.
Calhoun. Say Calhoun.
Go home.
Mikey Calhoun.
Emily. Get shoes. Say Mikey Calhoun.
Monkey.
Calhoun. What is your daddy's name?
Monkey.
Mikey. What's your mama's name?
Mama.
Huh? What's your mama's name? Say Kelly. What's your brother's name? Blaine. What's your other brother's name? Ashton. That's right.
What's my name?
KK.
What's Mimi's name? What's Lala's name? Oh.
Better
Sorry.
quit.
Saw you run over the. That was not funny. He's mad at the basketball now.
Okay, the kid police gonna go get you.
Let me go check on that pizza. I'm gonna throw this at you. Which one's your right hand? Which one's your left? Which one's your left? Which one's your left hand?
Where's your right hand? Where's your left hand? Hold it up. Hold up your right hand.
Hold up your right hand. No, the other one. Hold up your left hand.
Hold up your right hand. Stick your right foot in. Put your right foot out. Shake your booty all about.
Put your left foot in. Put your left foot out. Put your left foot in and you shake it all over. I remember last time I did that was when he was like really little. You wanna do it with me this time? Put your left foot, no, other foot in. Left foot in, put your left foot out. Put your left foot in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Put your right foot in. Put your right foot out. Put your right foot, other foot in. Other foot. Right foot in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Put your left arm in. Put your left hand in. No, other hand. Other hand. Put your left hand in, put your left hand down, put your left hand in, and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Put your right hand in, put your right hand down, put your right hand in, and you shake it all over. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what
Okay, y'all say bye.
Bye.
Bye.